पीछे आके आओ। No, you have to power through, dude. It'll slip. No, come back. You need some momentum. Or sit in the rear wheel. Sit on the rear wheel. Sit on the back. Sit on the back. Load the back and go. Yeah. Load the back and go. Go. You have to sit here. Come here, back as much as possible. Now come back a little bit. No, come back. Go. Go. Need a momentum. I think it's that trail behind. It's that trail behind.
On the left, no?
Yeah, there's a trail going up. This is not the point. Alright, so that's why we go off-road, to get to places like these. It's fucking awesome. I'm gonna walk the trail for you now, because we've got to go down and see where our boys are at. I should have probably just removed the helmet, breathing through it. But let's see where we can get to. Look at that, that's the trail. Not too difficult, but yes, it's quite nice. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I gotta walk all the fucking way up. Alright, so what's going on here?
I fell down.
Okay, that's okay. See, this is the mark you have to take and continue on this line here. Keep to your left. Don't go to the right. Okay.
Actually, it was.
I know. You have to be careful. Come on. So what you should do is, don't start from here. Just release the bike and go to that point, to that plant behind you. You see that bush? Go there and then get a run up.
I think we can.
No.
Because this has good traction now.
No, from here you have very little runoff on this rock.
उधर तक चलते उधर से तो निकाल सकता है.
Yeah. No need to push. You can take it down there and then from there you can come up. Or if you want, you try it from here. Try it from here. Give it a shot.
काम कर उधर तक लेके चल.
No. Start the bike and go, man.
No, it is very difficult for him. Okay.
See, because this is a steep runoff.
Left side.
Alright, so bike recovery going on. I'm not gonna help, I'm gonna just shoot. Use the clutch and just engine brake and go down. That's alright. Straighten the wheel. Yeah, there you go. Alright. Straighten the wheel, yeah, there you go. Just come back, because pushing up is very difficult, Prax. No, 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 go back. I'm telling you. Go to where Nishant is and then you'll get a run up. No, there. In there.
रुक जा नहीं होगा ऐसे फिर से गिरेगा भाई
Turn your wheel. Turn this side. Turn this side. Trilok. Turn the wheel here. No, no. Yeah, now come. Now come. Now you won't fall on the trail. Yeah, it's okay. Go.
So you want to come from there?
Nahi. Go back.
Actually इधर से निकाल सकते हैं
इधर नहीं होता है.
देखो
See,
चाबी उठाना
just drag the bike there and then we can straighten it by hand. It's a very light bike. Absolutely no issues. Just drag the bike till here. This is the perfect runoff you'll get. See here. Trilok, you have to come here. Just straighten the bike, Prax.
now we just not fall this side so you balance that side
That's it. There you go. Perfect. Yep.
hey
That's okay.
break
So, even a light bike is a handful.
अबे इधर से निकाल सकता है तू
Come down.
अबे भाई इधर से निकाल
That's it. Stop. Now take a breather.
ठीक no take आराम से
Just take rest now. That's it. Beautiful view.
हाँ तो लोग का भी व्यू मस्त है अभी
The thing is, if you don't do this in one go, you're fucked. You have to do it in one go. Otherwise, so I did it. I just fucking hammered the clutch and went.
So the thing is, when you're feeling, Trilok, when you're feeling you'll fall down, no, throttle.
Yeah,
Bike
it'll
will
straighten up.
itself.
Correct.
Yeah, I did.
No, he went into the
The
ditch,
thing
man.
was, we came here.
Oh, there.
Now there's a 1 foot gap between my.
I kept it.
Go. Go. It'll catch. Go, man. Is your TC on or off? TC will be off or on only. Go. I'm behind you. Don't worry. Just go. Go. Start the bike and go. That's it. Go. That's all. You're done. कुछ नहीं होता यार. Go यार. Go. Yeah. There you go. That's it. Continue.
Go.
Trilok, wait. See here.
Hey, it's very easy now, man.
No.
He can go. That's all. Finish.
Like that. Exactly.
Getting stressed out. That's it. Go.